maagang binismis yung klase. The weather is really bad. Ayan, Casey and Mr. Bermas. Ayan. Hindi rin sila makauwi. Welcome to Ponderings and yan, baha. Baha doon sa kalsadang yan. And you can see some students are wading through the waters. Some of my students are walking through. Baha dito sa aming, sa side ng aming gym. The Filipino way, still smiling, even though there's flood, Of course, kailangan educated din tayo na maganda sa baha. So I think it's really important na talagang we have a cap, umbrella, cover sa shoes, bota, during this time. So sa taas, you can smile, nakaka-smile ka, like everything is okay, yung sa third floor. Pero once na nasa baba ka talaga, kita mo yung baha, So, ito yung time na talagang you feel the worry, of students, yung shoes nila mababasa. Alright, so talagang baha, So dito sa baba, talagang bahang-baha, So, yun talaga, So, it's a part of the school year in the Philippines, baha talaga. So, mahirap umuwi kapag baha. Ayan. So, yun na lang, take care na sa pag-uwi sa lahat, sa atin lahat. Ayan. Even Sir Flandas, he's really monitoring yung mga student na lumalabas, He's kind of feeling na naawa din sir kasi talaga alam niya na mababasa talaga yung mga bata. Ay, nakayapak na kayo, Ayan, so baha talaga.